everyone, I'm Jujani and welcome to Beauty Farm. Now today's topic is on lip care. Now lip care is not something everyone includes in their daily routine. We do 10-step skincare, we get our hair done, get manis and pedis, and we tend to forget about our lips. But did you know our lips actually reflect our lifestyle, diet, and habits? This is why we need to do better and learn how to keep our lips healthy. I mean, who doesn't want nice, soft, plump lips? I know I do. So how do we take care of our lips? Here's how. Number 1, stay hydrated. Drink lots of water. Not drinking enough water is actually one of the main causes of dry lips. You should drink at least 8 glasses of water a day, and that is going to benefit your whole body, including lips. So let's get that H2O up in your system and keep your lips hydrated. Number 2, fix your bad habits. This is actually something I'm super guilty of as well, and that is picking your lips with your hands and touching it. Picking your lips with your hands is so damaging for your lips because you're actually bringing bacteria onto your lips. Another bad habit we should stop doing is licking our lips. Now I know licking our lips might solve in the moment, but in the long run it doesn't really help at all. It actually takes the moisture away from your lips, causing it to dry out even more. So what can we do when our lips feels dry? We need to moisturize our lips with lip balm, but don't use just any lip balms. Find the one that works for your lips because some are drier than others and some are more sensitive. So try out different lip balms and see which one works for you the best and apply them as much as you can. Now I notice that some lip balms tend to dry out my lips even more, and the answer actually lies in the ingredients, which leads to number 4, check your ingredients. Check out all the chemicals that your lip balm has, and try to avoid chemicals that has paraben and alcohol in them because they tend to dry out your lips, which is something we don't want. So try to look for lip balms that does not have paraben or alcohol. And if you want to be extra safe, then avoid scented and flavored lip balms. Instead, try looking for lip balms that have SPF in them. Just like how we need sunscreen to protect our skin, we need SPF on our lip balms to protect our lips because our lips are actually very thin and it can easily burn from the sun. So try looking for SPF. And we have number 5, remove your makeup thoroughly. Make sure you don't have any lipstick on when you're going to bed. Not removing your makeup fully will lead to pigmentation and darkening on your lips. And for number 6, we have exfoliating. You should exfoliate your lips once in a while. By exfoliating, you're restoring new smooth skin on your lips and you're helping your lips to regenerate new skin. Just don't over exfoliate and do it gently. Lips are one of the most important features on your face, so let's take care of our lips. And at the end of the day, no one likes chopped and dry lips. They are kind of painful and unpleasant to look at. So if you haven't thought about doing lip care, maybe you should start adding it to your daily routine. And that's all we have for today. Comment down below which lip balm you're using. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you guys next time. Bye!